Good afternoon. I'm Daniel Leonard with UF-IFA's Calhoun County Extension, and I'm coming at you today to announce that Gardening in the Panhandle Live is back for 2021. We've got a fresh slate of topics and speakers. And now, Julie, why don't you tell us a little bit more about what's to come?
Yeah, we're really excited about it. We're going to do one program a month from February through December. Our first episode is February 4th, and we're going to talk about weeds and controlling weeds and identifying weeds. I think we all struggle with that. A couple other things that we're going to have going on are spring vegetable gardening, herbs, landscape diseases, and lots of other topics. So you'll have to visit our blog post in order to see what all the details are and how to register. Beth?
Well, while you're watching the panel of experts give answers to your personal questions that you submit, there's a behind the scenes team that's making sure you have the best resources from our research universities. So whether or not you need a new plant or a practice, we're going to have the information for you, both by the panelists and in those chats. So Mark, tell us what else is available.
So folks, again, 2021 Gardening the Panhandle Live is coming to you again. Remember, it's once a month on Thursdays, 12 Central, 1 Eastern. There's 2 ways to join, either through Zoom or Facebook Live. Again, you can register and submit your questions, and we will answer those live during the program. For more information, visit our Gardening in the Panhandle Live blog page, and we hope to see you there.